Okay, so I thought I would show you, you don't have to have that scatter plot on. Let's see. I'm not even 100% sure how to turn it off, but I think I can. I'm going to go to menu. I'm going to go to graphs. I want to go to scatter plot. If you go to scatter plot, it gives you a new line. I don't want the new line. I want the one that's already graphed. So I'm going to go up to S1. I don't know what happens. Let's uncheck it. Yeah, you uncheck it, it turns it off. Go back to menu, go back to graphs, go back to scatter plot. Again, it gives you the new one. I don't want the new one. I want the one that's already there. You want to see it again, turn it back on. Okay, so that's one thing that you can do to turn it on and off. You can do the same thing with the function. Press menu, go to the function. Again, we're out here on F3. You want to turn F2 off, turn it off. You want to turn F1 off, turn it off. I don't know why these are black. Oh, because they were intersection points. I deleted those. The labels anyway. But anyway, so you can turn all those off. Turn everything off if you want. Turn it back on. You just go to menu, go back to function, scroll up until you see it, and then turn it back on. Or if you wanted to delete it completely, you could just delete it, delete the whole thing. Delete the whole thing, press enter, and now it's gone. Menu, graph a function, see it's not there. But you could always go back. Let's see, where did we write it down? We wrote it down right here. I lost it. I think it's right here. Yeah, we wrote it down right there. So if you wanted to take that and type it back into your equation, you could without all those extra decimals. So learn how to be sure you learn your way around the calculator so that you can use the calculator to do a lot of the work for you because it'll do a whole lot of stuff for you if you just learn your way around it. The thing that I know that most students struggle with is how to set these windows. So one thing that you can do if you don't know, let me see. Let's see if we can get this window. Go back to window, go back to zoom, zoom standard. That gets it back to the normal window. So let's say you had that. Let me turn the graph back on. Let's say you did the quadratic regression and oh my goodness. I think that's good. I want to show you how to do this anyway. I think you can do it again. So let's say like I'm in this situation. I've already done the quadratic regression and it's gone and I want it to get it back on there. I think you can also, I'm going to escape. Let's see. I'm going to open a new page and I'm just going to go to the calculator page. I think if I do menu and I do statistics and I do stat calc, and I do quadratic regression, it's going to ask me, I want it to do the S list. I want it to do the M list. I want it to put it on F1. F1 is free, so it chose F1. Anyway, do all that, press OK. So it will give it to me here, and you can do it on the home screen. There it gives you your A, your B, your C. Some people like doing it better here than they do right here because right here it's kind of hard to see. So you can always do that quadratic regression on your home page as well. Okay, so there's the same stuff. Negative 6.9, 103.8. C, R squared is really close to 1. And if you go back now and look at your graphs page, go back up, it's put there again. So all you have to do to make it graph is just press enter. Okay, so I think if you click on this and you want it to delete it, you can just press delete and it moves it out of the way. So now you don't have that label bothering you anymore. Okay, so that's it. That should get you through your homework lesson.